Let's go.
Hey everyone, welcome to ADIT Solutions Real Talk, where tech is just not lived, used, and sometimes argued over.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, or
Feels like you're dating.
what we are bringing you
अच्छा वो
real.
हो गया क्या ओवर
If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more Shopify related code.
3 to 1
Now
3
then,
yeah.
we live the survive. Yes, anyway.
Yeah, for real. Our phones are like everything, like dating, like
The description in below.
3 to 1 3
Why do you guys,
नहीं ना
Most people forget that checkout isn't the end.
and that's enough.
Okay, 3 to 1 please.
So, so, let's recap.
I'm Akshat, proudly Mike.
And I'm Bhavishri, millennial. Gen Z नहीं बोला आपने?
Generally,
हाँ, I'm
sharing our views on it. For today we are not. Okay, 3 to 1 please. Next, just real life and ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही personal touch.
Please, if you cannot split your screens, customize your layout, or your phone is blasting on you, are you even living in the real world?
What's your one thing? यार. So tell us. We are actually sharing our views on using on using our phone. That's all.
Ship station.
Yeah, but for real, just think for a sec. Our phones are like everything, like dating. Obvious. Yeah. For real, our phones are like.
Shopify related code. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more.
Showing in the comments.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such tech content.
ADIT solution, real tech, real people.
And happier customers.